Add a background loop to your music. Go to the Tools tab and click the Background Loop button. Click the Browse button to choose an audio file to use for your background loop. Adjust the volume of the background file using the slider. Stream your audio. Continue watching for additional details on using the background loop. Go to the Tools tab and click the Background Loop button. Click the Browse button to choose an audio file for your background loop. Select your file and click Open. The background file name will display. Move the slider next to Background Decibel to adjust the volume of the background file. To save your preset, select Save Preset from the Presets drop-down. Type a name for your preset, then click OK. The new preset can be used anytime. Stream your audio and the background loop will be applied. For more DeskFX tutorials, please visit the address shown on your screen.